This week on Almost Heaven Outdoors.
So this weekend, we're headed to the Lethal Air Big Bore Air Gunning event in southern West Virginia with our buddies Chad and Brian.
So, Amber doesn't know this until now, but I made up the hammer guns.
Apparently, I assumed I was supposed to do the hammer dance after I kill something with a hammer. So here I go.
Fort Scott Munitions presents.
Dear Lord, we come to you tonight with nothing but thanks. We really appreciate the opportunity to spend this time together and build these friendships. We love you, we thank you, and we praise you. We give you all the glory. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Amen. We have a dead turkey.
Thank you, God.
We got everything packed up here. We are headed to the Lethal Big Bore Air Gun hunting event at Mountain Meadows and down here in West Virginia. Got the hammer in the back. We are so excited. Have not yet got to hunt this with this air gun yet. A couple other people like Steve Criner, Rossi Morrell, he's killed some stuff with it down in Texas. Criner killed a huge bobcat in Texas. Now it's Amber and my turn to put the hammer on some animals. So we're excited.
Mostly my turn. Sorry.
Our turn. Of course, she's shooting first, so I guess it would be her turn first. We're going to be shooting the ram. We're going to be shooting hog. And of course, you know who gets the ram. And not me. But we're excited. Can't wait to get this hammer out and do a little hunting with it.
So this weekend, we're headed to the Lethal Air Big Bore Air Gunning event in southern West Virginia with our buddies Chad and Brian.
Yes, we are so excited. We've been waiting for this. We received the hammer the other day. Now, this is our first opportunity to take an animal with the Umarex hammer. Fire in the hole.
Here we go.
So, are you going to share the hammer with me, or no?
No, not really. I love shooting this hammer.
You're sighting in the hammer, and I am hitting bullseye, so way better than Teddy.
So Brian couldn't take it anymore. He just had to shoot the hammer.
I just need to manhandle this thing.
So, truth be told, everyone at camp was lined up to shoot the hammer.
I shot just a smidgen high, but that's no man chasing.
You know, we feel really fortunate to have such a great sponsor as Umarex. You know, it was really cool when we walked into camp. There was like 20 guys there at this air gun event, and we really felt like all of them was waiting on us. They wanted to see the hammer. One guy actually called it the unicorn, but it was really cool to have that feeling and to be part of such a great company. I can't say enough good stuff about Umarex. I can't say good enough stuff about the hammer. If you want a great air gun, you know, a big bore air gun, this is what you need. Price point is great. I think it's going to be around $815, something like that. You know, it shoots a 400 grain bullet. Obviously, you can get different weight bullets. This is the most powerful production air gun there is on the planet. You know, they've changed it up a little bit since the model that they started with. You now have a 2-shot magazine. I mean, 4,500 psi. Just, man, I don't know. I can't say enough good stuff. So check it out. Umarex USA. They will be available in June, and get you one.
So now that we know the Umarex hammer is good to go, I guess it's Teddy's turn to go chase after some hogs.
My turn to hunt first?
Don't get used
Finally.
to it. Don't get used to it.
So we snuck into where we thought these hogs were. I was glassing with my track binoculars and found them. So now it's time to put the hammer on these hogs.
So we were finally right in the middle of them, and it was time to see if Teddy could put the hammer down on one of these big hogs.
So this hog had no idea he was getting ready to be breakfast. So we got down there, we spotted 3 or 4 of these hogs, and I wanted the black one. Big Russian boar. You could see his teeth. I was spotting him within my track binoculars. I could tell this was the hog that I wanted. Well, just shot my first hog animal ever with the hammer. We snuck up on him, what, 100 yards, 150 yards? That was awesome. Now let's go recover my pig. Looks like he has nice toothies. Safety first, kids. Alright. Man, that was so cool. First animal with the air gun. Let's go see if we can find him. I thought he was going to come right to us.
I can't say enough good stuff about Umarex. I can't say good enough stuff about the hammer. If you want a great air gun, you know, a big bore air gun, this is what you need. Price point is great. I think it's going to be around $815, something like that. You know, it shoots a 400 grain bullet. Obviously, you can get different weight bullets. This is the most powerful production air gun there is. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and our website, almostheavenoutdoors.com. Now it's time to go shoot the Umarex Gauntlet.
Now I can see. Yep.
Well, just shot my first hog animal ever with the hammer. We snuck up on him, what, 100 yards, 150 yards? That was awesome. Now let's go over and cover my pig. Looks like he has nice toothies. Safety first, kids. Alright. Man, that was so cool. First animal with the air gun. Let's go see if we can find him. I thought he was going to come right to us. Yeah. So we got down there. We got in position. Got a bead on this thing with the hammer. And I took the shot 50 yards and it hammered him. Dead hog with the hammer. Nice. He's a big old boar too. Man, that was so cool. Oh, that was nice. Everybody that takes something with the hammer from now on has to do a hammer dance. So now it's time for me to bust a move. So this is my version of the hammer dance.
So I'm not gonna lie, you're probably gonna have nightmares after watching that.
It was not that bad. So, tell you something that's really cool. We're gonna go watch Steve Criner, the dog soldier, a good friend of ours, smoke this huge bobcat in West Texas with the Umarex hammer.
Bobcats, beware. And if you guys know anything about bobcats in West Texas, they are big. Hey everybody, Steve Criner, the dog soldier here. Welcome to Real Air Gun Hunting. We are down here in Texas, and it's cold and windy, but we're still excited. We got the Umarex 50 caliber here. Tonight we're shooting a hand-cast 330 grain bullet at about 900 feet per second. Our targets, coyotes, fox, or bobcat. We find ourselves in West Texas on a high rack in the middle of the night finding bobcats. We gotta find a bobcat, we gotta call him in, and we gotta kill him with the 50 caliber air gun. Up to this point, it's never been done on video. Hey everybody, welcome to Texas. Real Air Gun Hunting is on a roll. It's been a good week. We've got the Umarex 50 caliber out. And we got our optical dynamics lights. We're predator hunting in Texas. We're gonna be after bobcats, foxes, coyotes, whatever has teeth and comes in. That's what I'm known for. That's what I love. Wade, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to kill a predator with this thing, ain't you, buddy?
Oh, yeah.
I'll start the music, just scan, and see if we can pull this off.
Let's do it.
Cat right there, Criner. Is that a cat, dude? I'm gonna get in front of the camera. You got him, Cordell. Yeah. Here we go, guys. Okay, here we go.
right here, Umarex, baby. Woo! That's what it's all about. That's legit.
Oh my God.
Hey guys, I'm Jonathan Kyle with your Mountaineer Insurance Tip of the Week. The first step to having proper protection is to have an agent that understands your needs. As much as we all enjoy getting out in the woods, near the streams, or on the lakes, unfortunately risks and responsibilities go with us. If you're in an ATV accident, having a policy to protect your liability for bodily injury and also the damage to your ATV is critical. Your homeowner's policy does not cover your ATV adequately. We can't choose when an accident will happen, but we can make sure you and your equipment is covered when it does. Thanks for watching the Mountaineer Insurance Tip of the Week. Tune in next week for another tip or check out our website, mountaineerins.com.
So this was such an awesome morning that we woke up to. You could definitely tell that there is a God.
Now it's time to go get my ram.
All right, so we've been here for a few days now, and we've been seeing these rams. We finally spotted some. They're usually over here in this field. We've been seeing them, so we're gonna try to sneak through these woods without spooking anything, and hopefully I'm gonna put the hammer down on one of these rams today. So we'll see how this goes.
So we finally found the ram that we were looking for, and now it's time to lay the hammer down.
Just hit this ram with the hammer from Umarex about 100 yards. So he went for him lay down, so we're gonna give him a few minutes before we head up there. Hopefully he expires by time.
So this was awesome. This ram was 100 yards. Amber got ready. As soon as she pulled the trigger, unfortunately, this ram took a step, hit it a little back, and now we backed out a little bit so we could give it some time to expire, as Amber says. Then we're going to get on the blood trail.
All right, so we just topped this hill just to see if we could see him, if he was expired or not, and he's up here actually laying. So I finally shot my first Corsican ram, and I cannot wait to see him because he's beautiful. The hammer did his job. So we've had a great time here at Mountain Meadows. We want to thank Brandon for letting us come down here, and we want to thank Brian and Chad from Lethal Air and Lethal Precision for having us here and having this event. And we also want to thank Reed from Air Guns of Virginia for having us out here, and it's just been a great time, and we are happy to make our mark with the hammer from Umarex and take home some meat, and we just had a great time. So we hope to do it again soon.
Apparently, I assumed I was supposed to do the hammer dance after I kill something with a hammer. So here I go.
See what you got, girl.
So this is my version of the hammer dance.
Down a muddy river along the Mississippi in the middle of the big cornfields. In the backwoods where the hunting is good and life gets real.
We had a great time. We got to meet some new friends in the air gun world. We fell in love with the hammer.
Knee deep in country.
We can dance.
Yeah.
Sipping granny sweet tea on a hot summer day and a lazy
Don't
dog
try to
laying
sing
in the
it.